Hello and welcome to Google AdWords video course. Now, in the previous chapter, I have explained how to choose the right audiences and also the advanced campaign settings. Now, assuming you have already done that, once you have done this, all your site links specific to your domain and your business, and then you will save and continue. Once you save and continue, it will take you to the next step, which is creating ad groups. Now there's a little information, and I'm going to just show you how the Google AdWords or the ad groups and campaign works. Now, as you can see in this chart, for example, we have an account. This is a hypothetical example of your domain name. We have campaign 1, then we have campaign 2. Now, in order to have multiple campaigns, you need to have multiple products. For example, in campaign 1, I am targeting televisions, and in campaign 2, I am targeting cameras. Okay, if you're selling televisions as well as cameras, you need to have 2 different campaigns. And similarly, for that, you need to have 2 different ad groups. Now, if I am, let's say televisions, I am selling 2 different or 3 different categories of televisions, which is 3D TVs or HD TVs, then I'm going to split that into 2 different ad groups. Why is that? Because if someone goes to Google search and look for specifically for 3D TVs, and if my ad is popping up for HD TVs, they're not going to have click my my ad, and it will not be a good user experience. Make sense? So in order to do that, you'll have to divide all those categories into different ad groups. Then you have to choose the right keywords for that particular ad group. And then for ad group 2, you have to choose the right keywords for that particular ad group, which is HGTVs. And you have to create 2 to 3 different ads. That is the standard format for what Google AdWords tutorial says. And the reason you're going to create 2 to 3 ads is because you're going to do split testing between ads. Each ad will have a different text, a different message, and different keywords, so that you can actually see which one is optimizing once you run the ad. The better the performing the ads, the optimization is once you run the ads for a week, 10 days, then you will be in a position, or maybe a little bit longer, you will be in a position to see which ads are running and which is performing and optimizing well. Once you know that, you can actually switch off the other ones which aren't performing well. Okay, let's go back into the AdWords account. And this is the AdWord group. I'm going to choose just as in AdWord groups test 1. And I'm going to choose the keywords, keyword ideas. And inside the tool itself, I'm going to choose the keywords. I don't need to go to the tool section and go to keyword planner section. I can do that as well, but inside this is already there. So either I'm going to actually insert a related website here, or I can actually just put my keyword here. So email marketing and search is going to pop up all those keywords for me, and it's going to show me all the monthly researches. All I have to do is click the plus button. Once I click the plus button, it is going to add up on the left-hand side. And I can choose as many as keywords. The more the keywords, the better it's going to have a wide network on the Google Ads. Now, it's very important to choose the right keywords, not just selecting because it is just popping up here, but it should make sense that if the user is actually putting this keyword, does that make sense to your business or the product or services you're selling? Okay, makes sense. Now, once you have done that, you can have all of these selection. There would be like hundreds of keywords you can choose from. Now, if you have, as I said, you have 2 different products, then you can have 2 different ad groups. I will just leave it as it is. It is a same process what we have just done here. Choosing the right keywords for that particular test or the particular ad group. If I have a different and multiple products, I'm going to choose another ad group. That's what it says right in here in this chart. Okay, makes sense. Now, this is the chapter. This is for the chapter to choose the right keywords. In the next chapter, we will be creating the actual ad. Till then, stay tuned. Bye for now.